Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys an update on a circle I made around a tree a year ago. If you're not new here, you guys remember I did a circle around a tree with some bricks or some blocks, and we got a lot of love over here, and we also got a lot of hate. A lot of people liked it. A lot of people say you're a true inspiration, definitely gonna try this. A lot of people like your sense of humor. A lot of people like you talk too much. A lot of people like, oh, the perfect way to kill a tree. But honey, I wish this tree would have just died, because you guys seen so many trees, and then life would have been so easy. Feel the big fat one right over there? Yep, that's right in the driveway right over there, that big old fat one. But anyways, somebody had watched this video recently, and they wanted to know how this is holding up, because they thought my video was a true inspiration. So I decided that I'm going to make a video to show this person how it's holding up. All right, we got a little branch there, because you guys seen there's a lot of trees, of course. And this is how I get rid of my branches. I use them to make firewood, or I throw them in the woods. Because guess what? I will always go back for them in the woods for firewoods. Because it's just easier. For me, I'm not going to pack them in a bag and put them out again. No. Anyway, if it's your first time here, my name is Shayna. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. If it's not your first time here, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. Now, if you're not new and you remember this video, you know where we're coming from. But if you're new, we're going to have the full tutorial on how I built this, link in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check that out. So here I am showing you guys. Don't watch the landscape. It's horrible. It's terrible, because guess what? I broke my foot 9 weeks now. I'm just waiting to get surgery on it. And once I do so, get it healed, and we'll be going up and running again next year by the grace of God. So this yard wasn't taken care of this summer as it should. If you're not new here, you know I get in when I'm taking care of the yard. But if you're new, judge me all you want, but just stay tuned, or go watch some other video and then you'll see. Anyway, everybody knows I'm a single woman who live out here trying to do it by myself. So that's how it works. So just showing you the stone, the brick, whatever you call it, is holding up pretty well. And remember, I told you guys earlier in the spring that I was unsuccessful with I planted coleus and a lot of hostas. Now, I didn't expect the coleus to come back, because I live upstate New York, all the way upstate, and it's freaking cold up here. It is cold, okay? So we don't expect coleus to survive in this type of weather. However, hostas do survive, and they'll come back every year. And what happened last year, they got fungus. A fungus came in and destroyed my hostas. So this year they came in and they look nice. They were getting water. They were looking nice at the early part, but they got a little abundant. Now it's September 9th. Okay, it's getting cold, but I will say we're growing. Okay, it's not bad. It looks better than last year. So every year, if you guys are not familiar with hostas is something you cannot get rid of. But yeah, you can. But just know that they're very low maintenance. They like shade, and you can plant one hostas. Next thing you know, your yard can be filled with hostas, because it just gets so big, and you constantly transplanting it. I just have so much. I didn't have to buy this much hostas, like I said in the previous video. I only have this much because I wanted different species. You know what I'm saying? To put here. If you guys were wondering about the dirt here, we had grass there, but of course the lawn hasn't been cutting right. It hasn't been watering or anything. I have sprinklers, by the way, but why turn them on when I'm not going to cut the yard? Because I can't cut the yard, because I have a broken foot. Yes, a broken foot. Somebody's going to say, why don't you pay somebody? Well, maybe if you could send me some super chat in this video, I'll be able to pay somebody. Or maybe you could like this video more so YouTube could pay me. I could do that. But anyway, I'm zooming here on the camera because I wanted to show you guys. You see, there's a little dent right in there. This was a perfect circle. But I wanted to point out with you guys, from that little dent, that little bug right on the camera, right? The little dent right there is just from me going around in a circle. That bug, get out of here, bug. It's just from me going around with the lawnmower, and half of the time I freaking reverse it right into the stone. Now, somebody don't come for me and say, oh, I knew this was gonna happen because you don't have space. I have space, honey. Look, I have space. But I cut this yard twice with a broken foot, and it was not the best, but I reverse into it, of course, because you got to reverse, back it up, and keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? And that's what happened. Reverse into it, and that's why it looks like that, okay? And of course, I didn't reverse into the tree for it to look like that. The tree's been like that. I was told, I'm constantly going to say that a barn house fell on the tree, and that's it. So that's it. Foot is still broken. I'm showing you guys right there. Still have a busted foot. But Shayna cannot help herself. I'm picking up these little pieces of stick as I'm doing this video for you guys, because guess what? Those little stick almost had me falling because my feet, the boot stuck on it. So I'm showing you, there's some begonia. I planted some begonia early spring, and those were absolutely gorgeous in between the hostas. And you guys could see the hostas, I have different species of hostas in here. I don't know the name, but we have blue one, we have all, you can see different species. It's getting better. Next year is going to be way better. But we're hitting towards that time where we already start having the leaf falling. It's not fall yet, but leaves are falling. Okay, so that's what's going on. So I decided I want to go down here and show you guys. Now, what's going on now as we get closer in the fall, I think the deer has less food to eat. In the summertime, I had no problem with the deers. However, in the fall, they come on out, they eat my hostas. They eat these bush right here. I leave these for them so they can eat it. They eat hostas. These bush, they'll eat my hydrangeas and they'll go for the crabapple tree. So they come out in the fall, and that's what happened. That's what's going on here. I'm just sharing with you guys. So yeah, that's what's going on. So yeah, it's if you had subscribed to my channel, to that person who would watch the video, and you're still here with me, I hope you find this video helpful, because it's still holding up. Like I said, it's just that one part that I reversed into. You can see the dent, don't you? Type me a comment in the comment section and let me know if you can see that dent. And that's 1, 2, 3. I'm just showing you guys. Just got to shift these bricks back out, and life is good. They're not glued. I didn't glue them on. So if you're wondering, oh, she didn't glue them on, it's not gonna last. I did not glue these. I just made a circle, put it around, plant some hostas, and hope for them to grow. And I did say we needed more dirt in here, but I don't want to invest. The circle is big. Honestly, this circle is big. It looks small on camera, but it's huge. Okay, it's huge, and I don't want to spend all that money to fill this with dirt when I have a garden in the back. By the way, if you haven't seen some of my garden videos, I have a lot of shorts with those. You can go check those out. And if you want to see more landscaping videos, I'll also have the whole playlist in the description box below with all of my landscaping video. So thank you guys so much for being here with me. If you make it this far throughout the video, it's obvious that you like what you see here. So why don't you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. Therefore, you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It costs nothing. Type me a comment in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. I'm kind of bored over here right now because I can't do anything. So answering back to your comment is something I would look forward to. You know what I'm saying? And also to go ahead and share it out with your friends and family. This way, you're not the only one criticizing it. You're not the only one getting the inspiration, so they can do the same thing too. You know what I'm saying? I want to meet new people. So share it out. It's free. All right. So again, thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. I'm trying my best. I have a lot of videos in my phone. It's just to edit them. I hate to do the editing stuff, and to get them going. Plus my phone is filled. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I know I talk a lot and I got to this part of the video. I just want to say, just remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now. We're out.